Hello students, today we are going to solve the second numerical of quadrantal bearing. Question is given as convert the quadrantal bearing which will be equals to south 13 degree 53 minute 50 seconds east into WCB. Now we know that our basic quadrant system is like this, that is the north pole, that is the south pole, that is east, and that is west. Now according to the question, our survey line will lie in the southeast quadrant, so our survey line will be lies here, and this bearing is already given in the question, that is 13 degree 53 minutes and 50 seconds. Now for the measurement of whole circle bearing, we have to measure the angle from the north in the clockwise direction, which will be like this, that is the WCB of this survey line. Now to determine this angle, we have to subtract the given bearing, that is the quadrantal bearing, from the 180 degree. So it will be equals to 180 degree minus 13 degree 53 minutes and 50 seconds. So the answer will be equals to 166 degree 6 minutes and 10 seconds. So a WCB of this survey line will be equals to 166 degree 6 minutes and 10 seconds. That is the complete solution of this numerical. Thank you very much, students.